Hey Canva artists! Welcome back to Skills Frog Pro. Glad to have you here. Today I've got something super cool to show you, how to change the color of any element using Canva's magic tools. It only takes a few clicks and the quality top-notch. All right, let's jump right in. So first, we need something to work with. For this demo, I picked something a little spicy, the famous KFC chicken bucket. Yep, we're about to give it a fresh new look. The idea here is to switch out that signature KFC red for a nice clean blue. Step 1, click on the image, then head up to the toolbar and hit BG Remover to make the background disappear. Easy. Next, we head over to Magic Studio and choose Magic Grab. This is where the fun begins. We highlight just the bucket, click Grab, and let Canva do its thing. And boom, just like that, the bucket is completely isolated. Now click on it again, choose Edit, scroll down to Adjust, and then keep going until you see Color Edit. Here's where the magic happens. We pick the red, since that's the main color, and then we adjust the hue to give it that cool blue tone. You can also fine-tune it with saturation and brightness to get the exact look you want. And there it is! The KFC bucket, completely rebranded. Quick heads up, you'll need a Canva Pro account to access Magic Studio tools like this. And that's it for today. Super quick, super fun. Let us know in the comments what Canva tricks you'd love to see next. And hey, if you found this helpful, please give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell. Subscribing really means a lot to us and helps us keep making awesome tutorials for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.